My name is Ben Evans. I am the Audio Operations Manager at the Royal Albert Hall in London. I'm here today at Dante by Design to present a case study of we use Dante at the Royal Albert Hall, which is a daily show in completely different configurations. That flexibility to adapt to whatever performance we're doing is really key, and Dante enables us to deliver that efficiently and easily.
My name is Patrick Smith. I'm from Sandy Brown. I'm an acoustic consultant. It's been great to be here at Dante by Design today, talking about acoustics and audio design in auditoria. I remember back in the days when everything was analog, everything was big chunky multi-cores with hundreds of copper wires in, dragging it through the mud on festivals. It was a nightmare. So the Dante revolution has been fantastic for the industry. Just the flexibility, the scalability, sustainability of it has completely transformed the industry over the course of my career.
So I'm Wim Roos, I'm the Senior Product Manager for Dante AV, and I've been telling people that we've actually got video now for Dante and the different varieties of it, of AV Ultra for that subframe latency application, and AVH for the installs in classrooms and education environments. There's many things cooking in the Dante AV pot of where we're taking not only the hardware products but also our Dante Studio product to not only be within Prem but within the cloud as well, thinking about it within the Dante Connect environment as well.
I'm Daniel Arif. I work at the Royal Opera House as Sound Video Broadcast Project Coordinator, and I'm here today to talk about the convergence of AV and IT in theatre. There is a bit of learning on both sides. The AV team needs to appreciate that the IT guys don't understand their technology world as much as they do, and then the IT guys need to sort of understand that the AV world is very fast paced, not hidden behind support tickets and sort of slower moving world, the office environment. So they should come and see a show, experience coming to the Opera House, come to one of our events. We do everything from full-blown performances to free lower scale events, all using the same technology, utilising it in different ways, and I suppose that shows off the beauty of how sort of versatile Dante and network audio is.